Any venture capitalist, he invests only when he shares the same dream. Actually, we sometimes believe that the entrepreneur is the best guy who's actually creating the value. In our dreams, we actually want to be you. When we are sitting on your board, it's like as if we wanted to start that business that you're into it. And that's the reason we've written a check for you. Hence, there is a connect that we establish with your business. And in that connect, we're looking forward to add value in specific areas. One, which is all about being a sounding board when you need us. In case you are about to make a mistake on a particular decision, or we have some experiences from our past, we will come back to you and we will alert you that maybe at this particular point in time, you need to in-house a particular service, outsource a particular service, or you sharpen your focus. Whatever else is required, it is about being the sounding board for you. One aspect a VC must take care of is that in any geography, compliances of Companies Act or income tax or other multiple compliances, they are many fold. Normally at your nest, we invest in technology startups. These tech teams may not be able to appreciate what a CFO has to do. We will handhold to ensure that you are surviving and living your to live your dream and are not held back because you've not done some regulatory compliances or so. We will be able to handhold there and ensure that you're following those practices. In case your attention is not going equal to all functional areas, we'll always be able to tell you that you need to focus on talent acquisition, or you need to focus on these and the legal and the regulatory matters simultaneously while you're developing technology. Talent acquisition for the best leaders actually acquires the maximum amount of time and attention. Building a culture. You are so engrossed in actually winning the customers that your time and attention to doing town halls and culture, etc., goes away. Our job is to just be with you and keep alerting you on some of these aspects. And then, because we are actually seeing thousands of startups every year, we know what's happening around the world. We will be able to bring out multiple partnerships and collaborative tools that are available to you. And if you're able to leverage that partnership network that can help you to scale up faster and better, we as VCs would have added enough value for you. In this process, we're looking forward to make you eligible for either the next round of funding or make you self-sufficient, that you're able to run with the cash flows that you're generating, that you don't even need any further round of capital. That'll be the blessings.